Hi, my name is Heini Karina Bernal Chaparro. I'm going to talk about personal biography in Gabriel Garcia Marquez. I was born in Yopal Casanare in the year 2000. I grew up with my mother and grandfathers on a farm. I was 12 years old when they brought me to town, but I studied at the village school until fourth grade. They transferred me to the Luis Maria Jimenez, and there I studied up to eighth grade. I traveled by bus from the town to San Jose. I graduated in 2018 from the Jorge Eliezer Gaitan School. Started studying nursing in 2020 at Unisan Hill University. Gabriel Garcia Marquez was born in Aracatan in 1927. He was born and spent his early years in a Caribbean area in northern Colombia, which marketing in especially for its contrast with Bogota and other areas of the country where he later lived. In 1947, he began to study law. I career that he abandoned to devote himself to journalism. His first work, Left Store, was published in 1955. On that same date, he traveled to Europe for the first time, staying there for 4 years, living in Geneva, Rome, and Paris. During his stay in France, where he is experiencing economic difficulties, he writes the colonel has no one to write to him and the heavy heart. A few years late, in 1987, he published what to become his best known work, and to which he dedicated more than a year of intensive work on 100 years of solitude. The success was immediate. The first edition sold out in just a few days, and to get out from he decided to go Barcelona, where he lived from 1968 to 1974. There he wrote The Autumn of the Patriots and stories such Isabel Watson in Rain in Macondo. Thank you.